Hi guys, today we're reviewing the Nano Mister. A Nano Mister has a lot of uses such as cooling down sunburns, rejuvenating your skin, steaming your skin, etc. So we're unboxing it. This is a charging cable. It's a micro USB to a USB end. You can charge it or plug it in anywhere that supports USB. So that's the Nano Mister. This is an instruction manual that will tell you exactly the way you need to use the Nano Mister, clean it, and how you can charge it, the do's and don'ts obviously. Very handy, an instruction manual. So this is the Nano Mister, guys. That's your on and off button there. You press it once and it comes on, press it again and it goes off. That's your charging port at the back. That's a micro USB port. So your cable just slots in there. And on this end, anywhere that supports USB 2, you plug that in and it would charge. It gives you a battery life of about 40 to 50 minutes. So this is what it looks like. It's very small, very compact. There are many uses for this, as I've said, to cool down sunburns, to rejuvenate your skin, to steam your skin, to do facials, to remove eyebrow glue, eyelash extension glue. So as you can see, I've opened it up. Now I'm putting in the water so we can test how exactly this works, and we could see the mist feature. So you put in the water upside down so you don't mess, and there you have it. That's your mister. That's how it delivers its mist. I must say it's pretty cool for a gadget that's quite small. That's delivering a decent amount of mist. There's no droplets that's left behind on the table. So it's just one switch on and off, and there you have mist. I think this is an excellent product, guys. It's small and portable.